A few years ago, a fast-growing e-commerce startup had a strange problem. Every weekly review meeting ended the same way, in arguments. Sales team brought transaction log, marketing shared customer list, and operations showed inventory files. Everyone was looking at the same data, yet every team reached a complete different conclusions. Sales claimed demand was exploding and pushing for more stock. Finance warned about delayed payments, while logistics blamed suppliers. Hours passed as spreadsheets filled the screens, but the answer was still buried somewhere inside thousands of rows. The meeting wasn't long because the questions were complicated. They were long because no one could actually ask the data the right question. Eventually, the company realized something important. The problem wasn't the data. Spreadsheets were great for storing numbers, but they struggled to answer the real business questions. Leaders wanted to know which customers spent the most last quarter, which product category drove the most revenue, and exactly where the company was losing sales. Filtering manually took hours, patterns stayed hidden, and decisions often relied on guesses. What they actually needed wasn't more spreadsheets. They needed a way to talk directly to the data and get answers instantly. And that's where SQL came in. SQL, short for Structured Query Language, is the language used to communicate with databases. Instead of scrolling endlessly through spreadsheets, SQL lets you ask precise questions and receive clear answers in seconds. You can identify the top spending customers, calculate total sales by region, or discovering which products performed best during the specific period. That's why SQL is considered one of the most essential skills in today's data-driven world. Data analysts use it, developers rely on it, and product managers, marketers, and operation teams use SQL to analyze real business data. Because in reality, most company data doesn't live in Excel files. It lives inside databases. If you want to start learning this powerful skill, there is a great beginner option. Skillup by Simplilearn offers a course called Introduction to SQL. It's designed for beginners who want to understand databases and start writing queries without getting overwhelmed. The course includes self-paced video lessons, making it easy to learn alongside college, work, or other commitments. Once you have completed it, you'll also receive a shareable completion certificate that you can add in your LinkedIn profile or resume. The course begins with SQL fundamentals, helping you understand how relational databases store and organize data using tables, rows, and columns. From there, you will learn about database relationships, including primary keys and foreign keys, and how different tables connect with each other. Next comes the most important part, which is writing SQL queries. Commands like select, where, and order by allows you to retrieve, filter, and organize data efficiently. With these comments, you can answer questions such as which customer placed order this month, which products generate the highest revenue, or even which region has the most sales. You'll also learn aggregation functions like count, sum, average, minimum, and maximum to calculate insights such as total sales or average order value. One of the most powerful topics covered in SQL are joins, which allows you to combine information from multiple tables, such as connecting customer data with order data to understand purchasing behavior. Another great part of this course is that it's hands-on instead of just learning theory. You'll practice writing SQL queries and gradually move from simple data lookups to more realistic analysis. The course is perfect for students exploring data careers, fresh graduates entering the tech industry, analysts and developers working with databases, or anyone curious about how real data system works. You don't need any prior SQL knowledge to start. In fact, SQL is one of the first technical skills recruiters test during data and analytics interviews. So learning it early can give you a real advantage. Today, companies generate millions of data records every day, but raw data alone isn't useful. The real value comes from people who know how to extract insights from it. SQL gives you the ability to transform you from someone who simply looks at the spreadsheets into someone who can ask questions, explore data, and uncover meaningful answers. And this free SQL course from Simplilearn SkillUp is a great place to start building that skill. If you're curious about how data really works behind the scenes, click the link in the description, enroll for free, take your first step towards becoming someone who doesn't just look at data but truly understand it.